Hi, super third graders. I hope you have had a wonderful week so far. Here is our math lesson for Friday, October 12th. Now we have our bell work page here that I'll be emailing you this whole entire PowerPoint so that you can have all the links for our math games because it is Fun Friday, so happy Fun Friday. If you would like to do this bell work, you can. It's not required, but I just put it in there for fun. Here are all of our adorable and handsome friends. I still need a few pictures. That's okay. So today is Friday, October 12th, and there are no live classes for special ed, so that's why I'm emailing you this recording today. And then remember, on Monday, October 15th, there will also be no live class. I will just be emailing you that recording as well. We have our Halloween special ed party on Monday, October 29th, and I hope you can be there. I am so excited to show you my Halloween costume, and baby Charlie will be there in her Halloween costume, and we'll be playing a bunch of fun Halloween games, and we get to go trick-or-treating around the office. It's going to be pretty awesome. All right, here are our class rules, but you guys know these so well, I don't even need to read them to you. I'm just going to skip that page. And for class points, right now you have, I forgot to add these up. Let me add up your points real quick so I can tell you correctly. You have 80, oh my goodness, 85, which means you have 80 class points. So on Tuesday, we are spinning this wheel, our class prize wheel, because we got 80 points, and we're going to see what our class prize is. Great job, boys and girls, for earning those points so fast and for always working so hard. So today, for Fun Friday, you are playing math games so that you can have fun and get better at math. I'll know I got it if I play a math game or play math games for 25 minutes. Okay, here are all of our math games that we can play. We have Math Playground, we have Prodigy, ABC or ABCYah.com. They have a bunch of fun math games, so there's two different ones there. And then we have a Mind Games one that you can play. So like I said, I'll be emailing you this PowerPoint, so you can just click on the link right in your PowerPoint, or you can copy and paste it and get to it that way. So your hero to-do list today: 1, play math games; 2, fill out the exit ticket; and 3, be sure you spend 20 minutes in iReady Math. Now it is Friday, so that means all of your spelling activities need to be done. You need to get all of your minutes in for iReady Math, and make sure you have all of your minutes in for iReady Reading as well. And our exit ticket link is down here at the bottom. So go ahead and click on this link, or you can copy and paste it when you receive this PowerPoint in your email. And that is all that you need to do for Fun Friday today. I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I will be emailing you our recorded lesson for Monday's math and Monday's language arts classes later on today.